So I'm actually down the East Coast on the lower half. I traveled to go to an air show down at a beach down here. So I'm actually in Ocean City, Maryland at the time, and there's all kinds of different craft, and I thought it would be neat to break out the HackRF and the Portapack for this. Now, if you have an interest in an antenna, this is also an excellent antenna, the SRH789. It's a much longer extendable antenna than the one that comes with it. But what's cool is we can go in and we can pick up the different aircraft. Now, one thing you'll notice is you're not going to pick up all military aircraft, of course, because not all of them are going to have an ADS-B transponder on them. And that is for security purposes, of course. But this is an air show, and you can capture everything. You just can't mess around with transmit or anything like that. So I do want to warn that it is legal to receive for ADS-B in the USA, but on the other hand, it is not legal to mess around or do anything that could affect them negatively. There's also this AIS, this can detect various boats. So I haven't seen an aircraft lately, but I just picked up a C-130 not long ago. It actually was a German one, registered to Germany, and also the US Navy. So I thought that was rather neat. I was going to try and pick it up again. Looks like it is not available at the moment, but I'm sure we'll get plenty more coming out. I'm going to go ahead and check the AIS boat detection here. And there we go. We are picking up some boats. So we have the United States of America, and some you can even see on a map as well, all depending. A lot of times it'll have that little GPS symbol if you're able to see it on the map for the airplanes. Now here what we're seeing is it's showing Salisbury there if you're looking at the map. It's a bit bright out here, so I'm not able to pick everything up perfectly for the picture, but we're gonna see what else we can pick up here. Let's go back to the boats and see what other boats we have available. So, country, United States of America, and we'll see if there's more. As you can see, despite the reflection, we can in fact see it on the map for that boat there. And usually we get a nice little line of them. Let's go ahead and see what kind of aircraft. I'm not listening to any at the moment. Usually I can hear them coming in, and then I'll turn it on just to see. You know, it's a neat way to identify various aircraft and boats that you may be looking at if you ever go to the beach or you ever go to an air show. The HackRF and Portapack, of course, only use the receive features, but you can, in fact, receive legally for ADS-B and AIS. We have a couple boats here at the moment, so we can see them. We can see the stats. It is under with it. See on the map and see if this one's in the same spot. So we will go back again. There's also different channels, so you can change the channel on this and pick up other things as well. I see several boats out there, so just to show that we can in fact see some boats out there as well, and then we can pick them right up on the HackRF as well while we're at it. So when we're in the area, the vicinity of a body of water, and you see boats, you might want to check out your HackRF and Portapack just to see if you can pick them up. And let's see what we got. So let's go down to the second one. United States of America, and you get some information on the boat and the call destination, where it was last, the position, so you got the GPS position there, and you can see the speed that it's traveling. You can see various different factors. We can also go down to see it on the map. So there we have it. We have some various boats. We can see where they're at on the map. So if you have a HackRF and Portapack, this AIS boats will allow you to receive where the boats are and where they're headed, and different airplanes as well. So you can even look this up on FlightAware for the aircraft if you're looking at aircraft on the adsb receiver. And then you can even pull up where they've been flying, what their flight patterns have been, and we're picking up another aircraft. Let's see what this one is. So it's not showing up yet, and sometimes it'll initially just show the top here, and then it may fill in a few minutes. So we'll go ahead back once again and see if anything's been updated. This one's not showing anything. And if it has a place on the map, so if you look at see on map and there's no GPS symbol for location, you're just going to see a blue body, almost like a blue body of water, but it really doesn't mean anything. It just means that you're not given the exact location of it. But you can also see the speed it's traveling as well. And we can go back once again and see if we have picked up any other aircraft. Doesn't look like we have, but I'm going to continue recording on the HackRF and Portapack just to show, kind of log some of the progress and what you can do with this Portapack and HackRF to basically identify things at a air show or a boat show. It's a neat tool to have, so if you're into radio, the HackRF and Portapack is a great little combo kit to bring with you on these types of air shows to help identify what aircraft you're looking at. It's pretty neat. And I will continue recording, and that's what I have for now.